Hey everyone, it's Steve here, and I wanted to take a few minutes today to have a bit of a heart-to-heart to share where the channel's been, what's changing, and what's next for the Digital Pro. So for the past few years, this channel has been known as the Digital Pro's No Code Academy. It's been focused on helping people explore tools like FlutterFlow, BuildShip, and Supabase, especially showing how they connect together and in proper end-to-end integrations. And more recently, I've also started exploring Dreamflow, which has been really interesting to see evolve as part of the wider no-code landscape. I guess it's been an incredible journey, and as many of you know, I've also had the privilege of serving as FlutterFlow's European ambassador, which has given me the opportunity to meet so many brilliant creators, turning their ideas into real products. Now, before YouTube, I spent around 25 years in software development, managing teams, leading projects, and mentoring developers. And my background is in full stack development. So I've always been passionate about kind of how everything connects from backend logic and databases through to design and end user experience. And when I launched kind of like the channel, my goal was really quite simply to help people, especially those with little or no technical experience, jump into these tools quickly and effectively and build something they can be proud of. And that's always been my approach, breaking down complexity, guiding step by step, and helping people build confidence through real practical learning. So I guess tools like FlutterFlow and Supabase have been brilliant for that. I mean, FlutterFlow gives you creative control on the front end, while Supabase provides the back end power, kind of authentication, storage, databases, and functions for pretty well much the complete production ready stack. But as we've seen, the landscape has changed quite a bit. A whole new wave of AI-driven low-code tools have arrived, and many of them look incredible, but they've also muddied the waters a little, making it harder to know which tools are truly the best for the job. And that's both exciting, but it's also challenging at the same time. And to be completely transparent, engagement on my FlutterFlow content has dropped substantially over the past year. And I guess when you spend hours scripting, recording, and editing a video, and it then reaches only a fraction of the audience it once did, it's clear that I guess the space is shifting, and I need to shift with it. So now there could be, I guess, a few reasons for that. I mean, one might be the recent sort of plan changes with FlutterFlow. And in my honest opinion, the limitations introduced on the free plan have made it far harder, I think, for newcomers to fully experience the platform's potential. That accessibility, the ability to explore, learn, experiment freely was a huge part of what made FlutterFlow so special early on. Whether that's directly affected engagement, I can't say for certain, but I suspect it has had an impact. And on that note, I do have some sad news to share. So I've made the very difficult decision to close the Digital Pro's kind of no-code academy community. You may be a member of that. So over the past couple of years, it's been a place filled with genuine conversation, collaboration, and creativity. And I've made some amazing friends through it. And I've loved the continued engagement and support from everyone who's been part of that space. But I suppose with subscriber numbers and engagement continuing to drop, it's just unfortunately no longer financially viable to keep the community running in its current form. So the No Code Academy community will close officially around mid-January. So I want to say, firstly, a heartfelt thank you to everyone who's been involved in that community for your kindness, your passion, and your willingness to learn together. It's been a really special part of my journey, and I'll always appreciate it. And that said, this is the good bit. This isn't the ending. It's a new beginning for me. So from now on, the channel will be known simply as the Digital Pro here on YouTube. And that kind of rebrand, I guess, reflects where I'm heading. I'm still focused on education and technology, but with a broader, more creative approach. I'll continue sharing FlutterFlow, Supabase, and I guess Dreamflow content, but I'll also explore more no-code, low-code, and AI-powered tools that help build smarter, faster, and with greater creativity. I'll also be putting more focus on the creative side of building. So design, branding, UX, and the craft of making projects not only work beautifully, but also look amazing too. And actually, on a more personal note, I've also rekindled one of my oldest passions, and that is creating digital music. I mean, do check out the links in the description. But, it's something I've loved for years, and getting back into it has reminded me just how similar music and software development really are. Experimenting, layering, and refining ideas until something special kind of emerges. And I'll be sharing some of that creative journey too. Experiences, behind the scenes moments and insights into the process of making music in the digital age. So because for me, the Digital Pro is all about creativity, whether that's coding, designing, building, or of course, composing. So I'm also going to be recording more exclusive content for YouTube Premium members. So if you decide to support the channel by becoming a Premium member, you'll get access to extra tutorials, behind the scenes updates, and an early look at new projects. Your support genuinely helps allow me to continue creating fresh, high quality content and keeps this channel moving forward. So if you're new here and you love learning about modern tools, connecting ideas and exploring creative ways to bring your projects to life, then you are exactly in the right place. So if you haven't already hit the subscribe and turn the notifications on, please do go ahead and do that. I'll also appreciate a like on this video as well. There's so much ahead, tutorials, deep dives, creative projects and honest discussions about which tools really deliver. I'm incredibly proud of what we've built together, and over 20,000 subscribers, hopefully by the time you watch this, and hundreds of videos and a wonderful community full of curiosity and creativity. But the key thing is, I truly believe this next phase will be the most exciting yet. So to everyone who's kind of been with me from the start, thank you for your ongoing support. And to those who maybe have just discovered the Digital Pro, welcome. You are joining at the perfect time. So there's so much more to come, more creativity, more exploration, plenty of opportunity to learn and grow together. Thank you so much for watching, and of course I'll see you in the next one.